Hey guys, welcome to our very own channel Techie Jason. This video is really going to be an amazing video because in this video I'm going to introduce you to a crypto project that has variety of services which includes trading bots, copy trading and even profit sharing systems. So the project that I'm going to introduce you today is called as a Zignally. So in this video friends, we will not only be talking about the Zignally project but also about their own native token, which is the Zignally tokens. At the end of the video, I'll be also showing you how you can farm your Zignally tokens and get dual returns. So altogether this would be a really interesting video, so make sure you watch this video till the end. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel until now, please do subscribe, and while clicking on the bell icon, please select the button all. The very first thing that we will be doing is, let us go to the official website of Zignally, which is zignally.com. So here you can see friends, it is the better way to invest in crypto. As you can see over here, it is 100% performance based. There is no monthly fees that would be charged. There is no minimum amount of money that is required in order to invest in Zignally. There are three different products that Zignally offers, which is trading bot, copy trading and even profit sharing, where you have to invest in top performing traders under a profit sharing model. Now friends, let me introduce you to the team of Zignally. So that these are all the team members of Zignally. They are highly experienced in whatever task they are performing. You can even follow them on LinkedIn as well as Twitter. Now let me show you the most interesting thing. So the advisor to Zignally is Alejandro Palomar, and he is the founder at Blockchain. So yes, this is really an interesting thing that I wanted to show you. Now friends, let us talk about the native token of Zignally, which is the Zignally coin. So it is the first ever NFT based insurance protocol. So these are the list of exchanges where Zignally plans to get listed on. And let me tell you, it is already being listed on two of these exchanges, which is AdSense as well as BitMEX. So this is the token distribution of Zignally coin. 12.5% of the total supply was sold at the private round. So 12% is provided as incentive to liquidity providers, and 10% for partnership, 5% for future campaign and community, 5% for trader incentive, and over 27% is reserved for the founders as well as for the team members. Now friends, let us discuss about the farming in the Zignally coin. But before that, let me first set up my MetaMask account. So I have inserted my password. So before we actually proceed to farming of Zignally, please make sure that the network that you are choosing is of Ethereum mainnet. You can see I have 0 SSLP tokens. So what is SSLP token? That I will talk about a few minutes later. And right now I have a Ethereum balance of around $95. So the first thing that we need to do is, let us go to the official website of Shiba Swap. I have added the link for the same in the description below. So here you can see different options like dig, fetch, bury, woof, Bonefolio as well as swap. Let us start with the woof. So I have clicked on the woof. Let us wait for a few seconds, and here you can see an instruction. Whenever you deposit or withdraw your SSLP, all of your pending bone for that pool will be woofed automatically. Let us search for the pool that contains ZIG, and here you can see ZIG WETH. So this is the pool that I was talking about that can give you an APR of up to 241%. So let me just click on the open. And here you can see an approve button. So before you can actually approve, you first need to provide liquidity. So let me just click on the add liquidity. Once we click on the add liquidity, you can automatically see the ZIG as well as ETH pair. So this is the amount of ETH that I am holding right now. And this is the ZIG that I need to have in order to provide the liquidity. So the current rate of 1 ZIG is around 5.2 cent. Let us see how much 1275 ZIG is worth of. So it is worth $67. So I need to have $67 worth of ZIG as well as ETH in order to provide liquidity. I'm just talking about the maximum ZIG as well as ETH amount that I can provide as per my wallet balance. So you can add as much amount as you want depending on the wallet balance that you are right now holding. As you already saw, I do not own any of the ZIG tokens. So in order to buy some ZIG tokens, you can simply go to the Uniswap website. So once you are on the website, just click on the option below and search for ZIG. Click on the import and again click on the import. So you just need to insert the amount of ZIG that you want to buy. So before you can actually buy the tokens, just click on the connect wallet. After you click on the connect wallet, give the permission and allow Uniswap to connect to your wallet. So friends, this is how you can buy some ZIG tokens. Once after you buy your ZIG tokens, just go back and provide some liquidity. So once you have provided the liquidity, you will be receiving the SSLP token. After receiving of the SSLB token, go back over here and click on the approve. After you click on the approve, you need to pay a fee of around $4.88. So it is as per the today's rate of Ethereum. After you have successfully paid that amount of fees, insert the amount of SSLP that you want to invest over here and you can get an APR of up to 241%. Also, let me tell you friends, the rewards that you will be getting is in the Bone tokens. So let me now show you how much is the Bone token worth of. So the Bone token is around $2.22 worth. And let me tell you friends, this token can give us a huge profit in future. Now friends, let me tell you how you can get dual returns. When you provide liquidity in ZIG as well as ETH pair, you will get Bone as output. After you receive your Bone tokens, what you need to do is just go to the Bone WETH pool, and after that you need to repeat the same process by clicking on the approve and providing liquidity. Here you can get an additional APR of up to 224%. So friends, this is how you can get dual returns and an additional income. So that is it for the video. So guys, hope you have watched the whole video and got an in-depth review about the Zignally project, Zignally tokens, and how you can get dual returns by farming your ZIG as well as ETH. So hope you have understood everything that I have taught in this particular video. So if you enjoyed this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching this video. Goodbye and see you in the next video.